Save the environment. Save the earth. Get set. Both living and non-living things make up our environment. People, plants and flowers and animals are living things. Blackboards, chairs, desks, pencils and books are non-living things. The air we breathe, the water we drink and the place we live in are part of our environment. To live a healthy life, we must keep our environment clean. Everything around us forms our environment.
We throw away many things as waste. Some of these waste rots and decays while some does not. Things which do not decay pollute the earth. Let us read about the different types of pollution which harm our environment. Smoke from factories has many gases. These are very harmful to living things. Air pollution. Air is all around us. We need air to live. Plants and animals also need air to breathe. Trees and plants make the air fresh and cool. Fresh and clean air keeps us healthy. Air that is polluted harms us and our environment. What pollutes air? Smoke from factories and vehicles, burning of garbage, plastic and wood, bursting of firecrackers, coughing or sneezing without covering one's mouth. What we can do? Grow more trees, walk or cycle short distances. Do not burn garbage or dry leaves. Avoid bursting firecrackers. Use a handkerchief when coughing or sneezing so that the germs do not spread. Water pollution. We need water to drink, bath, cook, wash clothes, grow crops and clean things. Plants and animals also need water. Water is also used to generate electricity. There can be no life without water. Rain is the main source of water. Some of this water goes under the ground. We bring up this water and use it for different activities. Washing clothes, water bodies causes water pollution.
Remember, at home we can purify water in many ways. Boil it and boiling, as boiling kills most of the germs in water. Filter it. Add chlorine tablets to the water. What pollutes water? Dumping of waste from houses and factories into water bodies. Animals bathing in ponds, lakes and rivers. People bathing, washing clothes and utensils in water bodies. What we can do? Never throw waste in ponds, lakes and rivers. Avoid bathing, cleaning and washing clothes in water bodies. Land pollution makes the land unfit for growing crops. Land pollution. Land is one of the most important resources available to us. We use land to grow crops, construct buildings and build factories. What pollutes land? throwing of garbage in the open, dumping of waste by factories, using chemical fertilizers in the fields. What we can do? Plant more trees, throw waste in dustbins, use natural manures to improve the soil.
Noise pollution. We hear various sounds all around us. Among the sounds that we hear every day, only some are pleasant to our ears. Sound which is not pleasant to our ears is called noise. Too much noise causes noise pollution. It can damage our hearing. Listening to loud music not only disturbs others but also causes noise pollution. What are the causes? Listening to music and watching television on a high volume. Fact-wise, follow the three. Repeat. Reduce, try and cut down the number of things you use. Reuse. If possible, use the product again. Recycle. Find ways to make new materials from waste products. Reduce, recycle, reuse. Honking of vehicles, bursting of firecrackers, use of loud speakers. What we can do? Listen to music on a low volume. Avoid unnecessary honking. Plant trees as they absorb sounds. My environment pledge. I will plant more trees. I will not burst firecrackers. I will not waste paper. I will use only cloth or paper bags. I will save water. Words to know: pollute, to make dirty; purify, to clean, especially water. Quick recap: our environment consists of both living and non-living things. There are 4 types of pollution: air, water, land, and noise. Polluted air is harmful for all. We must not throw waste in water bodies. We can help our environment by growing more trees, not wasting paper, and saving water. Write 2 ways by which air gets polluted. Write 2 things that cause water pollution. Write 3 ways to control land pollution. How can we control noise pollution? Go green, save the earth. Think and answer. Where will you get fresh air? In a park or in a crowded market? Give reasons.